Ladies and gentlemen, it is snowing in North Carolina. Look at this. We are about to go have some fun. It hasn't snowed here good in years upon years upon years. Plan is go get food, hang out for a bit, take some pictures, and then go drifting, man. Come on. Got my bags packed and I'm ready to freaking go. Let's go. I'm so hype, I'm so hype. I got all my gear and it hasn't snowed in years. So I'm going to this place I've been meaning to try for a while. Okay, so funny thing, I actually know the guy who owns this wagon right here. His name is Charles. I talked about him in my last video. There may be a video coming up with him in it again, who knows? Gonna cross the street here. We're out here, baby, we're doing it. Are y'all seeing this? Look at that. About a feast. I didn't eat lunch today. I'll give you a review afterwards. Ladies and gentlemen, this shit right here, as the kids say, bussin'.
No matters, brother. I wanted to call you for an update, bro. What you thinking?
I am thinking that there's a lot of ice right now. So I am out in my car, dude. I got all my gear. I am about to take a little walk around Cornelius. I just got on the phone with my buddy Ricardo. He's coming through, and I'm gonna pick up a 12-pack of donuts, if you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I am saying? All right. Literal winter wonderland. It's crazy. Okay, so for my next move, while I'm waiting on Ricardo to get here, I am going to take a light painting of young Edward right here. Using my calendar stance right here in the middle. I got my camera here. 10-second timer. I'm gonna run with a flashlight on my phone and walk all around the car, never pointing the light at the camera. Ready, set, go. Well, that didn't work very well. Instead,
There you go. Oh, shit. Oh shit. Oh, this is perfect.
Bro, I cannot believe we got away with the shit that we got away with tonight. What?
And she's good.
Hell yeah, saved by the
It's good.
nose. That's crazy. Oh, what a day. This has been a day, I'll tell you. Hello there, and good morning. So the fun is not over yet. The snow is certainly gone. It was really mostly ice. But me and my boy Ricardo had a hell of a time last night. Today the objective is take pictures with the setting and the environment being what it is. It's not like this here very often. So I want to cash in, take advantage. I've got Edward parked in a spot that I've never photographed before. I think it's going to turn out really good. I'm going to drive around, try to drift a little bit. I'm going to shoot a little basketball and see where the day takes us. So let's get after it.
Not too shabby.
I love life, man. I'm grateful for today. Amen. Man, I haven't nature bathed in a long time. With my analog, feels good. This one's for the boys. guys, so I got like 3 hours of sleep last night. I was up all night looking at footage. Really excited for how this video is gonna come out, but there's 2 more things we gotta do. 1, drift one more time. Love it, man. Two, do a little sledding, man. There's not a lot of ice out here left, but I strapped the damn kayak to the roof. I'm gonna use it. So let's go find something. Okay, still on the hunt for just one sled ride. One sled ride. This spot is a no-go. All right, so I'm in a public place, but I think I've got a really horrible idea. If you see in front of me, you got the sun. I'm in Birkdale. If you look behind me, got the moon, the expedition. Here's how you win a video. Thank you for watching. One more. Why? Because we love making movies.